Okay, so for this one, you can obviously do a couple of different things. You can find the slope, which we are going to do that in a little bit. But you can also go ahead, once you find the slope, you have to go ahead and plug in a point and find and make your own equation. However, if you would like to know whether or not these pass through, what we're going to do is plug in, same thing, you're going to hit y is equal to on your calculator as you would here. And you're going to go ahead and plug in all your choices. So choice 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to plug it in as you see it. Negative 2x plus 6, negative 2x plus 10, so on and so forth. When you have these the way that they are, all right, I'm going to give you a couple of seconds, pause the video, and then I want you guys to do that, and I'm going to come back. All right, now that we have that, we're going to hit second and graph. What we are looking for is when negative 1 is equal to 8, so our x value of negative 1 has to equal 8, and our x value of 4 needs to equal negative 2. We have all 4 choices in here, so we're going to go to negative 1, and we're going to try to find out which one of these actually equals 8. So right now we can get rid of 2 choices. We don't have this one, it's not this one, so it's either going to be choice 1 or choice 3. Let's go down to 4 and see. When 4 is x, or x is equal to 4, what is my y value? In this case, it's negative 2. So the choice that we are actually going to have if we go back to our y is equal to is going to be our first choice, so it's going to be answer number 1. Now I'm going to show you how to do this by hand, which is going to take a little bit of time, but this is the easiest way for you to do it so that you don't waste time on your multiple choice. Actually, I'm going to wait and show you this when we get to a question about it. So go ahead and use your calculator for this question. Same way that you would do it for this calculator, you would do it with the one that you have. All right, let's move down to number 3. Number 3 is fairly simple too. This is a geometric sequence. Now, we have done arithmetic sequence. Geometric sequence, we're looking for a common ratio. We know that a ratio, we're representing division. So which means that division, I can't spell. This means that we're going to have a number over something. So what we're going to wind up doing is we're going to take our last term and divide it by the term next to it. So we're going to do 32 divided by 8, which we already know gives us 4. We're going to keep going. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. Now, you could keep going, and you could say to yourself, let's do 2 divided by 1/2, but you are essentially going to get 4, which means that our common ratio between all of these numbers is going to be choice 4. Getting on to question number 4. What is the constant term of the polynomial 2x cubed minus x plus 5 plus 4x squared? A constant term is a term that does not have a variable attached to it, and in this case we only have one term that's like that, and it is going to be 5. So our choice for number 4 is going to be 1.